Okay, so I cleaned up a little bit. It looks a little bit better. And I designed, well, let me show you what I did today. I designed this case so it fits my my drones perfectly. Like, they don't shake around and they can't get smushed in my bag. And it holds two of them perfectly. Isn't that cool? Yeah. And then this is a drone that I got, and it weighs 35 grams though. So in when you're flying these drones, the weight counts a lot. So I got 3 of these. I took this one apart. I designed, so I had something for one of my other quads like this with a bigger camera. Isn't that cute? I call it is that the baby punk? Yeah, that's the baby punk. And here we have the lil punk. And now we got this one. This is the HD0 punk. So there we go. Look at that. It's so cute. Oh yeah, so this weighs 35 grams and this weighs a little bit less than 30 grams. So basically spent the day kind of organizing, cleaning, and designing and building this thing. And got a lot of organizing to do, but it was a pretty successful day. Want to sing a song?
Sure.
Go for it.
No, put on the song.
No.
Yes, put on the song.
Okay, fine.
That's cheating.
Okay, I'll put it on.
Oh. Am I in there? Huh?
Come on, sing for the camera.
See, Avery, I take a video and then Donnie gets jealous.
Never be enough. Never be enough. Never be enough. Never be enough.
Anyways, today I spent the day cleaning and organizing and
no snake cleaning today.
making everything much nicer. And I've been designing. I've been designing a tray that can fit both my drones in perfectly. So this was the first try, but it was a little bit too thick. See? But then I'll be able to carry my drones safely without them getting smushed or anything. So we're on V2. And I have a big hole in my tongue. I don't want to talk to nobody because I'm not feeling good. Yeah. That's today. See you tomorrow.